Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you this ginormous slime, but I have to give somebody a shout out. Abigail Alowin, I hope I said your last name right, because in my slime collection when I spelled the one thing wrong, she asked for a shout out, so I'm shouting her out. So let's go ahead and move my hip. I don't have a name for this, so guys comment down below what I should name my slime. It's very jiggly. I can only take a little bit out at a time because it's just like so jiggly. I love it. It's one of my favorite slimes. And it has so much glitter in it. I love it. It is so fun. And by the way, don't come on my videos and hate because I know my camera falls. I know it's annoying, but using a phone, like it's gonna not be that good. So please don't come on my videos and hate. I'm just trying to have fun on here. So yeah. Here's some, maybe some ASMR with the big slime. I'm not really doing a slime collection, I'm just kind of bored. So I'm just doing this. It's not like I have really that much to do today. Hey, do you guys want to see my brother's magic trick?
No, I'm just
Yes,
practicing.
we're doing that one magic trick. Yes, that you showed me that actually
I'm
worked.
just practicing. You better not show my face.
I'm not. Okay, so I need to show them something. They're gonna have to.
No. Can you have it facing down towards the table, if anything?
Okay, it's facing towards me, so I'll
Okay.
Okay, so no, I can't see your hands. Okay, stop. So this is the card I have. Okay, so I know what I have.
Put it in wherever.
I should hold it because then you would Here you go.
What I'm gonna do, you know how it all goes. I set it down in 3 piles.
Yeah. He sets it down in 3 piles, and I say if it's in pile 1, 2, or 3. And he doesn't know what my card is.
Which one is it in?
This one. When I was 13.
Dang it. Which one?
That one. They just saw your face. We're using Uno cards because we don't really have anything else. Pile. That one. Now is it time where he's gonna show me which card it is? What?
Would that be it?
Yeah, that actually is it. Guys, he actually did the right card. Look. Do you want to show the other one that you did to me?
No. Still trying to work on it.
So now I'm gonna go back to playing with this. When you're done working on it, tell me so then. It's crazy, right? My brother's a magician. Comment down below if you guys like my hair.
I'm very far from being a magician.
Well, better than me. Hey Ryan,
Yeah.
you gonna see if you know me well? I'm gonna ask you questions and see if you can guess or not. What's my favorite color?
Blue.
What is my least favorite color?
Don't know.
I don't
Don't
have.
really know that well.
I don't have any. I love all colors. What is my favorite? What's my spirit animal?
Don't know.
A unicorn. What is my favorite food?
Don't know.
Brian, try. Just try to guess. Try to guess with every single one, even if you don't know. It's a meat, I will tell you that.
Steak.
I don't like steak. It's hot dogs. What's my favorite fruit?
Don't know. Oranges, peaches, I don't know.
Peaches.
Hey,
What is my favorite article of clothing?
I guess hoodies.
That's kind of hard. There's another answer too. It's hoodies and
What shirts?
this is like practically the same things. Just one has a hood. It's hoodies and crop tops. Do you even know what that is?
Not really.
I'll give you the point. Here's 2 points. 3 points. What is my least favorite food? What is my least favorite food?
Hold on.
You should know this. Like, you really should. We actually had it here.
No, give me.
It's a pig's.
Pork.
Pigs. It's has the word pigs in it.
No.
Pig's feet.
We never had pig's feet.
Yeah, we did.
Wow.
You like, yes.
Oh, a long time ago.
Yeah. What is my least favorite condiment? You really should know this. I have 2. No, I only have 1. Yeah. What is it?
Don't know. Ketchup.
That's my favorite. Least favorite.
Least favorite. Sweet and sour sauce.
That's my second. I like that. There's no chicken.
I'm leaving.
It's
Goodbye.
mustard. No.
I'm gonna go play my Xbox.
Of course you
You
are.
should play 3 hours with me on Fortnite.
Hey guys, comment down below. Should I play with him for 2 hours and 30 minutes or 3 hours? I only want to play with him for 2 hours and 30 minutes. First one to comment, I will give you a shout out. But only if you say 2 hours and 30 minutes. That's the way it works. Yeah, but thank you. I don't know how to say her name. Well, okay. No, I can only have this much up. I'll show you guys this. This is what I do for videos. I stack up on here, and then I stack this up on here. candy. I love it. Hold on, guys, listen. What are you doing?
I'm gonna try something. Let me see.
I'm sorry if he's being really loud. Are you counting how many cards there are?
Yeah, using math to figure out my magical things, shall we say.
What the heck? Oh my goodness. Guys, please, if I name the title and there's ones that's spelled wrong, it's a typo because I'm not gonna use words that I don't know how to spell. So please don't comment hate if you don't know what happened. Please just don't comment hate at all. Don't come to my channel if all you're gonna do is do hate. It's easy. Just hit the unsubscribe button and don't click on any of my videos because I don't want hate. I'm back. I think I might end this when it's 15 minutes I'll end it. So 3 more minutes. When I was 13, I was close to my you have to go guys, please subscribe to me and tone it from red to gray and right there, I don't know. And then hit the bell notification, thumbs up this video, don't thumbs down because that would make me sad. Thumbs it up. Because that will make me happy. Listen to this ASMR because my brother will not be loud anymore, so you will hear my ASMR. When I was 13, I had my first love. There's nobody can pay to my baby, nobody can be crazy, could ever come above. She had me going crazy, oh how this fun. She woke me up, damn, don't need no Starbucks. And go follow me on TikTok because I am at 158 and it's really bugging me. Can I just be at 160? Thank you. You work me out daily, you don't need no Starbucks. So just please 2 more people follow me so I can be at 150. So I'm about to end this video because it's about to be at 50 minutes. But what?
I did it. Figured it out.
Huh? And you guys want to see my new outfit? You'll see it in about a few seconds. Bye. What should my new outro be?
No.
Help me.
No. Camera's still on?
Yeah.
Well, you probably should ask me this after that.
Hold on, wait.